Hello, this is Cameron doing another update proof video on our trade lines. We at United Credit do trade lines every week, posting to boost our client scores. We have trade lines posting on CPNs and personal Social Security profiles. We do both. Today I'm highlighting the one that's mainly goes, well, this goes on CPNs too, but the high limits we like to put on socials only, but we do have some that go on the CPNs as well. This is a barclays, 48,000. It's the big boy here, 48,000 for 2 years. A lot of times I tell people to get older trade lines for maximum credit boost. But in this case, sometimes you may have utilization issues, meaning some of your credit cards might be maxed out and you need some high limit cards to bring down the utilization. And that will help boost your score as well. So here we got a 48,000 high limit that's about 2 years old. This one here is about $900, so we do have some high limit cards. I wanted to show you the breakdown for other cards. We got the big boys. We got Bank of America. We got a 50,000. We got a Barclays. We got a Citibank. All high limit cards. This one here is a real nice one. 40,000, 18 years. So call us for more information about our trade lines. You can subscribe to our list at tradelines.biz. Call us 202-213-2218. Again, some trade lines are pricey, so we'd like to do a full consultation to make sure you're not wasting your money. We don't want clients buying trade lines and not realizing a nice boost and getting mad at us. We'd like to do a consultation just to make sure they're buying the right type of trade line that's going to benefit their profile sufficiently and to maximize the purchase there. So call us, get on our list, and that's about it. Have a great day.